everybody. Today we're going to replace a canister valve washer in a Kohler toilet. In fact, it's going to take us less than 2 minutes to do it. While you can find all kinds of compatible washers online, I'm choosing to use a Kohler genuine part. Before you begin, locate your toilet's water supply shutoff valve and of course, turn it off. Once you've done that, flush the toilet to drain the water from the tank. At this point, you're going to remove the top drain hose and flush handle chain in order to get access to the canister. Reach in and grab the center guide post and twist it firmly counterclockwise until you hear a click. You're probably going to notice that the old washer was red when the new one is yellow. They claim the yellow style is an improvement. Because I live in a hard water area, my washer was quite brittle and covered with calcium. No wonder it was leaking. I cleaned the washer seating area of the canister before actually replacing it, just to make sure it didn't leak in the future. When reassembling the canister, make note of these tabs. They fit like a key into a keyhole. With a new washer, we're now ready to retrace our steps and put the old canister back into place. With the pull handle chain back in place, we now reach down, grab the center guide post and turn it firmly clockwise until you hear a click. That's pretty well lit. Now you're going to reverse your steps and you're going to go back to the water supply line, turn it back on, let the tank fill, and I would suggest you flush it a few times just to make sure that the washer is properly seated and that there are no further leaks. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.